Visualize the soul of a soldier, reach inside the heart of a warrior. See inside the mind and the dreams of your brain child, yeah. Realize the goals left forsaken, but never sell your soul to a Satan. Captivate the hearts and the minds of all nations, yeah. Born and raised Hawaiian, I am the diamond in the rough. From the land of Zion, I am the diamond in the rough. Born and raised Hawaiian, I am the diamond in the rough. From the land of Zion, I am the diamond in the rough. Why oh, oh, yeah. Why oh, oh, yeah. Why oh, oh, yeah. Why oh, oh.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel.
The hills make me wanna run and play. Every time I think of you, then I wanna go up and sit right down and look at the ocean so blue. I wanna feel the breeze blowing in my face and let all things hang loose. Whisper your name, feel no pain, relax and cruise. This is the life I was given. This is a life I love country living. This is the life meant for me and you. So I hope you get to live it too. Yeah, and I hope you get to live it too. I wanna get on my bike and ride that red dirt road from the cane fields to the shore. I wanna skip.
It was a young man who, he wanted to make a lot of money, and so he went to this guru, right? And he told the guru, I want to be on the same level you are. And so the guru said, if you want to be on the same level I'm on, I'll meet you tomorrow at the beach. So the young man got there at 4 a.m. He all ready to rock and roll, got on the suit, should have wore shorts. The old man grabs his hand and said, how bad do you want to be successful? He said, real bad. He said, walk on out in the water. So he walks out into the water. Watch this. When he walks out into the water, it goes waist deep. So he like, this guy crazy. Adrian, like, I want to make money. He got me out here swimming. I didn't ask to be a lifeguard. I want to make money. He got me in. So he said, come out a little further. Walked out a little further. Then he had it right around this area, the shoulder area. So this old man crazy. He making money, but he crazy. He said, come on out a little further. Came out a little further. It was right at his mouth. My man like, I'm about to go back in here. This God is mine. So the old man said, I thought you said you wanted to be successful. He said, I do. He said, walk a little further. He came, dropped his head in, held him down, hold him down. My man getting scratching, holding him down. He had him held down. Just before my man was about to pass out, he raised him up. He said, I got a question for you. He told the guy, he said, when you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. I don't know how many of y'all got asthma in here today, but if you ever had an asthma attack before, you short of breath, SOB, shortness of breath, you wheezing. The only thing you trying to do is get some air.